Hey guys, Johan here from Trading Walks. So I want to give you a quick strategy on how to increase the win rate for FX master code. So you know how the market moves in waves and in trends, and we want to capitalize on this using FX master code. So the strategy here is be aware of waves and trade in the direction of the trend. So what is a wave? Well, basically a wave is a move from a low to a high, and when we're in an uptrend we make waves with higher lows and higher highs, and when we're in a downtrend we make these kind of waves with lower lows and lower highs. So basically at the left here you can see we're making higher highs and higher lows. So when you see higher highs and higher lows like this, you want to trade buy signals and ignore sell signals. So as you can see here, we have a buy right here and 3 candles after that. 1, 2, 3, we're above this level, and this is a win. And you see here from this move now, how you can look at this is as long as we're not breaking this low, you want to continue taking buy signals. And after a buy signal, so when you had this buy signal here, you want to make a new high. So from the buy signal, you want to break the previous high. And as you can see here, we did just that, and we then have a new signal here. So we say that 3 minutes from now, from this candle, price will be above this level. So 1, 2, 3, and this is also a win. And you see here we break the previous high, so we're still in an uptrend, and now we want to continue trading long as this low here doesn't break. And you get a signal here, so 3 minutes from this one we say the price will be above, so 1, 2, 3, also a win. And you can see here then 2 minutes from that we break that high. So now when we see the break of that high, we wait patiently for a new signal, and we get it right here, and you have 1, 2, 3, this is also a win, and also a new high. So we will take the next buy signal as well, which we get here. So 3 minutes from now, above this level, so 1, 2, 3, this is also a win. Now here's what gets interesting. Here we have a trend change, and basically you see here that this high here is not broken. So when we had this signal here and we don't get the break of this level, it's an indication that we have resistance here. It might be that it's a higher time frame resistance, and as you can see here, when we come down and get this signal right here and we haven't broken the previous high here, this signal is not as good as this signal right here. So you see we have 5 wins here, and of course you can't win all the time. No system can do that, but I'm giving you here a strategy which can really help you avoid the bad signals. So you see that we didn't broke the previous high. Basically what happens is 1, 2, 3, this would have been a loss. And now you see also that we break the previous low, so now we're definitely in a downtrend. So if we would get a sell signal here, we would take it, but we don't get a signal, so we just wait. Now when we have this move here and we get support at this area, this is the same indication as in here where we get resistance at the second test. So this is a double top where we can't break the resistance, and the same thing here, we can't break the support at the test here. You also see this bullish candlestick, so this signal is also not as good as these signals right here. So just to recap, you want to find pairs which have clear waves with higher highs and higher lows for buy signals, and lower lows and lower highs for sell signals. So we had 5 wins here. If you use this strategy, you would not have taken these 2 false signals, so you would have a 100% win rate on this chart right here. Hope this helps. If you have any questions or request, let me know. Now implement this strategy, test it out, and I look forward to hearing about your results using FX Mastercode.